It's been a while since I talked about what's going on with my blown engine, blown transmission, Lotus Evora, and I have a ton of new followers, so let's relive this story together so I can feel bad. This is my 2010 Lotus Evora that I bought from Schmodified, but it's been here in our shop for a few years. And if there's one thing you should know about me, it's that I am stupid, and I bought it like that. Several years ago, one of our friends was borrowing it for the weekend and proceeded to cause the most mechanical catastrophic damage ever seen in a stock, naturally aspirated Lotus Evora. Now, if you don't know a lot about Lotus Evoras, let me tell you this very concerning thing. This is powered by a 2GR FE engine, which is a Toyota. It is shared with a Toyota Camry. These are very, very reliable, consistent, stable engines. How he did this, we do not know, but I watched it happen in front of my very eyes from another vehicle. This is the bulkhead, which means this is the firewall that separates the cabin from the engine compartment. And there are usually back seats. And if you see here, you see something went very wrong. And something did go very wrong. Ryan managed to money shift the car so severely it detached the flywheel and it rammed through the bulkhead into the rear seat of the car, flaming hot. Schmodified replaced the transmission, threw on a supercharger, and other than that, it didn't look like there was too much wrong with the engine, but he was wrong. And he was wrong because I am getting blow-by on cylinder 5, which means I am not getting full compression, which means my engine is toast. The good news is we just completely finished my Lotus Elise, which means the next rebuild going in is my Lotus Evora engine. Something else you should know about me is I have never done a full engine rebuild completely on my own, so stay tuned and come along with me for the learning experience as we rebuild my Lotus Evora engine, because it's going to get messy.